Don't look at me. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. My name is Tierra, but you can go ahead and call your girl T. Here on my channel, you will find hair and makeup tutorials, DIY projects, baby vlogs, and meal prepping ideas. If you like all these things and more, please take the time to subscribe to my channel and go ahead and hit that bell notification down below. Alright y'all, so I'm not even trying to spend a ton of time on this intro because my face is looking crazy. I did the Aaliyah 12-minute makeup challenge and clearly I failed. So let's go ahead and jump right into this video. My camera only usually goes like 10 to 12 minutes before it cuts off by itself, but I'm gonna try to get done before then. So I have my timer right here. It's set for 12 minutes. Okay, and now I'm going to hit start. Oh my gosh, guys. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do this. Okay, what would I normally do? Oh my gosh, okay. All of a sudden I have anxiety because I usually take like 12 minutes to do my brows, like a full 12 minutes just to do my brows, you know? I feel like I actually take longer just to do my brows. So let me do those first. If this is a fail, I'm not posting it. So if I posted it, that means I guess I did it. Oh, nah. I mean, I'm planning on washing this off. Alright. Let's just keep our composure because, like, we not new to this. Alright. Alright, bet. Let's just... Maybe I'll just do, like, not like what I typically would do. I'm not gonna do, like, every step that I normally do with my brows. I need to make sure I can see my timer. Oh my gosh, I've wasted 2 minutes doing nothing. Alright, I think that's as good I'm gonna get for this one. I don't know, y'all. That's not looking good. Oh, nah. Oh, nah. Alright. I think that's as good as these are gonna get because I gotta move on. Oh no. Alright, if I have time at the end, I'll come back. Okay, I'm lying. I can't leave these. Go ahead and dip into a little powder here. Okay, you know, this is everyday makeup. This is everyday makeup. Alright, primer, real fast. Okay, how many minutes do I have? Oh my gosh. Okay, I have wasted 4 minutes on brows, but that usually takes me the longest. So I think we're doing good. Oh, no, no, no. Oh no. Oh no. Like, who was really doing her makeup in 12 minutes? Sis ain't have to flex on us like this. I'm just like gonna have to skip some steps. Like, I could see that in my near future. Alright. But this ain't one of them. Concealer is not one of them. So my brows, I can see already, are looking crazy, but y'all, I did not wet my beauty blender. Oh no. Oh no. Ain't this how I forget to wet my beauty blender? I probably look like I'm in double time right now. Anybody who know me know I get dressed slow AF. I really relish in taking my time. Oh no. Makeup is supposed to be fun, you know? Alright. Alright. Okay. This is a rush for me, y'all. But like weirdly, I'm about to be like kind of done. Alright. Let's put on some bronzer. I've been skipping contouring anyways lately. Now, I'll come back to the face after because I always do. I have 4 minutes left. Okay. This ain't the best eyeliner in the world. Alright, so I got 2 slightly different eyes here on the eyeliner. But that's gonna work. Alright, lashes. Can't skip on the lashes. Oh my gosh, my glue isn't coming out. These people don't want to see me win out here. Nobody want to see me win. I'm gonna do both at the same time to save time. You feel me? Alright, while I'm drying, I got 2 minutes. Oh my god. Let's do like a quick little do. Right? Right? Let's do a quick little. This ain't looking good, y'all. That's what I do know. If I don't know nothing else. Alright. I have 1 minute and 40 seconds to put on my lashes. Oh no. Alright, I have lashes on, so now I can do some extra stuff while I wait for that to dry. Like, put on some inner corner highlight. Ooh, ooh. That's a little much. Alright, put my lip on. I literally have 22 seconds left. Dang, I can't even find my brow. Wow. Alright, I have 7 seconds left. I'm just gonna add a little. Alright, I think this works. I went like 10 seconds over. I'm just waiting for my glue to dry. Is my lash connected? Okay, my lash is connected. Y'all. Name a better guru. Name a better beauty guru. 12 minutes. Okay, guys. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know about this one. I mean, I'm just not happy with my brows. I'm not happy where my lashes are. I like smashed them together off camera. Y'all can beat me up if you want. And yeah, they're just literally on differently. My brows are on differently. My eyeliner is on differently. And the whole thing is... technically I got my makeup done in 12 minutes. And like, some people be like, wow, this is better than I can do my makeup. But I'm over here looking at this like... I would say that this is a fail because, okay, I wouldn't say it's a full fail. I would say it's like a 25% fail. Yeah, I'm just like not happy with how the look turned out, but I did get it done. Shout out to Aaliyah J for having her composure and calm demeanor. I don't know how sis was over here like skipping around just chilling while she's doing her makeup in 12 minutes. Like, I feel like my anxiety is still trying to calm down. My heart rate is still up. Like... Don't look at me. No, I look crazy. If you guys enjoyed me suffering and going through it in this challenge, make sure you go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe because y'all know I'm dramatic AF. If you want to actually see me beating my face in the correct way, make sure you go ahead and hit one of these videos over here. I have some awesome playlists that you can watch. You're gonna know what she's doing, just not in 12 minutes, alright? Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video.